Introduction. Join me as I challenge myself to practice self-love with 5 minutes of meditation every day for a week. Can I stick to it? Welcome to our step-by-step training video on how to transform your life with 5-minute self-love meditation practices. In just a few minutes a day, you can cultivate a deep sense of self-compassion and positivity. Step 1. Find a quiet space. Create a peaceful environment where you can fully focus on yourself. This could be a cozy corner in your home or a quiet spot in nature. Step 2. Set a timer. Commit to spending just 5 minutes on yourself. Setting a timer will help you stay present and fully engaged in the practice. Step 3. Focus on your breath. Close your eyes and take deep, intentional breaths. Notice how your body feels as you inhale and exhale. Step 4. Repeat positive affirmations. Speak kind words to yourself, such as, I am worthy, or I am enough. Let these affirmations fill you with love and acceptance. Step 5. Express gratitude. Reflect on the things you are grateful for in your life. Embrace the feelings of joy and appreciation that come with gratitude. Conclusion. In just 5 minutes a day, you can transform your life with self-love meditation practices. While it may feel challenging at first, consistency is key. Start small and gradually build up your practice. I recommend incorporating these practices into your daily routine for optimal results. Your journey to self-love starts now.